calling that progression.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy CA Corey back with another video. So today I'm gonna do a highway POV. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play some music and just vibe out today. It's not no real today is not a day where we're gonna be talking the whole time. I just had to talk yesterday because I've been gone for a minute, and I know some people are like, where's the content at? So we got the POV started. I just did my 2-mile run in the park. I do cardio at the gym, and I've never really been a person that was like into like jogging outside, but it really is like therapy. Like, I never understood why the people who jogged all the time were always just like, and by the way, don't pay attention to Waze right now. I just have it on in the background, but I'm not going to where it's telling me to go. So but yeah, gonna be chilling today. But yeah, I just finished up a jog at the park. It really is like therapy though. Like, it's so therapeutic. I never understood why people did it, or like those people who be jogging for like 10 miles. I never really understood it until I started getting into it. It's crazy. All right, so we're gonna shut up and let's turn the music on. Come on, guys, come on. Why doesn't anybody blow the horn in Florida? All right, let's go.
Let's get the introductions. I know they know my name, cause usually I'm bugging. This time around I'm sane, still ain't never changed. I'm usually regression. This time I claim acceptance. I'm calling that progression. I'm calling that the right move. I'm calling that the right move. Okay, I'm calling it correct. I ain't never saw shit I figured out. I ran around for love, never was impressed. I could do it out. I never had your trust, still I stuck around, holding on to doubt. I'm wishing we could ball. I'm holding on to love. Get the introductions. I know they know my name, cause usually I'm bugging. This time around I'm sane, still ain't never changed. I'm usually regression. This time I claim acceptance. I'm calling that progression. I'm calling that the right move. I'm calling that the right move. Okay, I'm calling it correct. I ain't never saw shit I figured out. I ran around for love, never was impressed. I could do it out. I never had your trust, still I stuck around, holding on to doubt. I'm wishing we could ball. I'm holding on to love. Okay, let's do it. I'm holding on to love. I'm holding on to love. I'm holding on to. She wanna ride away. 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 She wanna ride away.
I'm not gonna lie, someone gotta explain to me why we could all be sitting in traffic and nobody blows the horn. The only like aggressive drivers I've seen is like in Miami, but like outside of that, everybody in Florida just be sitting behind each other. I don't get it. Back to the music.
Leave, I smoke the blunt with don't troll, I do it for the real fans. Play this song and turn it with my little man. And my real name Max. And I really got plaques, yeah. Double digits, no cap. I'm the real Black Boy Max. Black Boy Max. Black Boy Max. Black Boy Max. I'm the real Black Boy Max. In the crib counting on my plaques. Tell Casa not react to that. A nigga never say I'm whack. Don't rate it, leave it to the chat. Don't wait, leave it to the chat. Don't wait, leave it to the chat. It's like, boy, you better not cheat. I'm like, chill, it's how it gotta be. That's why I gotta leave. I smoke the blunt with verb for the week. I got a lot of reach. Me the streamer and make them hot as me. That's why I gotta leave. I smoke the blunt with verb for the week.
Flexing on them, that's my mistake. Big house, that's a crib.
Slide, when he gon' slide, you running laps around my mind, tryna bridge the gap between you and I. Addicted to the chase, it's my vibe. Slide, 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 when you gon' slide. Time, yeah, I got time. Slow, 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 take it slow. Go, 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 I ain't got nowhere to go. Promise me, yeah, you gon' help me kill my anxiety, yeah. Hit the THC and drive.
What is it changing? Try navigate.
And kids that never get different, I'm the one that's here for you. Still ain't get it poppin'. Still a go to all when I'm ready, I don't really stop. Might call a new bitch for a new pick, I'ma probably crop it. My old bitch, she be shining like a tree, how she tryna ride, let's go. Ain't nothing but a phone call. Still I've been on road dog. Pop out like it's roll call. I might fuck a new hoe. If she with it, move it like a U-Haul. Dumb niggas too slow. I got a hot line for my hoes, case they boil liquor. I'm prepping for the shaker. I'm waiting for something to be different. She cool with a maker, but sometimes it ain't really hit. She tryna switch to tryna say no, good for one night, then I probably would kick it. I go to geek one time, I get low, ain't really nothing, go finish the mission. I'm really different. Ain't with football, my niggas really be bleaching. On court, I get the dishing. Home run, I get the hitting. Soccer, I get the kicking. And we ever all ice, I got my sticking. Get it sometimes I be tripping, cause I'm really top boy, he's number 2. Why would they leave me to choose? Cause I never go pick another one. If I get the feeling she fit down, trust me, it's cool, she could come with us. They didn't really shit on the man, now really ain't over the number. Always been good to go, I'm forever late now, whatever shit up, they done with us. They didn't really shit on the man, now really ain't over the number. Still they get it poppin'. Still a go to all when I'm ready, I don't really stop it. My old bitch, she be shining like a tree, how she tryna like it.
guys. I hope you enjoyed the highway POV. Definitely got more content coming for you guys, so please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.